What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be opening Topps Allen and Ginter 2020. No guarantee of an autograph or relic in it, even though it says look for autograph or relics right there. You're more often likely to get a mini card or it says right here, base short prints are 1 and 2. So we'll see. Let's give it a go. You get 7 packs. 48 cards in total. Here's the pack, a nice matte pack, matte finish. Okay, D-backs, Ahmed. Okay, Areza, Hoffman, Trevor Hoffman. Here's a mini card. Allen Ginter, Behemoths Beneath, the Giant Oarfish. You get interesting cards in this set. Topps Allen Ginter, a silo down on the farm, like this card. It's very cool, to say the least. And Pence, Hunter Pence. So there's back. All the stats are given in writing instead of numbers. Edmund Alfaro. Be the first to crack the code and win a special 2020 Topps Allen and Ginter Code Breaker autograph cards. Be the first to crack the code. I will not be trying. Mini card of Giolito. Lucas Giolito. Carlton Fisk and Barry Zito. You know, other than the oddball cards that are in it, it is the portraits that they do for each card. They are pretty nice. They are a nice change from normal cards. Like that's a nice looking painting. McCovey's Cove. Bieber pitched, had a good season, and then just absolutely got rocked by the Yankees in the, I guess, the wild card round. Good pitcher nonetheless. Sheffield and Mazeroski mini. Long ball, Cody Bellinger. And Moustakas, like Moustakas. Rafael Devers, Snell, Blake Snell, Doby, Larry Doby, mini of Vaughn, Mo Vaughn, Starlin Castro, debut to remember, Robinson, Brooks Robinson. I am not so up to date with the first names. Babe Ruth. Mondesi. Alberto, I'll butcher that name. Lou Brock. Francisco Lindor, mini. The Wilshire Grand Center. Now that is a beauty card. It is an architectural masterpiece, though. Martinez, Tito Martinez. 3 packs to go. Peterson, Jock Peterson. Abreu, Don Mattingly. The Caterpillar, Nature's Wonder. Quartz, not a bad crystal, rock, whichever one you want to call it. Built on crystal, yeah. And Riley, Austin Riley. 2 packs to go. Bogarts, Xander Bogarts, sorry. Robert, Luis Robert. Tony La Russa, Dunst, Tony Dunst, professional poker player. A bale of hay. Nice. And Stein, R.L. Stein, the author. Saw a Danny McBride autograph come out of this year. And you know what? I wouldn't mind having it. Cal Ripken Jr. Fotheringham. Ringham. Snyder. Duke Snyder. And Where Monsters Live. The Ocean. Salvador Perez. And Clayton Kershaw. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I thought it was kind of a subpar yet fun pull or break. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and we'll see you next time.